Hello friends, welcome to my channel NAILART. Today I did my own nail extensions using gel tips. I wanted to make a design with pearly power unicorns and decor colored broken glass. I will also tell you about the nuance of working with gel tips. So watch the video until the end and don't switch. So let's begin. We carry out stand preparation of nails for extensions. Next, select the appropriate tip size. Inside the tip you can go with a file, so to speak, to make the inner surface of the tip raw. To glue the tips to the nail, I will use a gel base for gel polish and a LED flashlight. We fix our tips for 5 seconds with a flashlight and send a lamp for 30 seconds for further drying. As for the flashlight, it is better to use a mini LED lamp that can be attached, for example, to a table, because I needed help fixing the tips. I myself could not fix the tip and hold the flashlight at the same time. When all the tips are glued, we give a desired shape to the nails using a file. For design, I will use Pearl Power Unicorn and decor broken glass cut into strips. So apply the gel base to the nail. We lay out the decor on the enriched base layer. Dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then we cover the design with a rubber base. Dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then we remove the stickiness and file the shape. Dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then we cover the design with a rubber base. Dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then we remove the stickiness and file the shape. We polish our nail with a buff, achieving a smooth surface. Then cover with a not wipe top coat and dry for 30 seconds. Then Pearl Power in with ribbon movements. In order for the Pearl Power to stick, you need to file the nail on all sides. Plus coat with primer. Then you can cover in with a gel base, but in this case I use a wipe top. In this variation the Pearl Power also lasts well. Dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then cover with a not wipe top coat and dry for 60 seconds. We admire the result. The design is ready. What do I want to say? I like the result. This type of extension can be called express extension, so I recommend it. I am sure you will like the result. Well, NAILART was with you. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, share in the comments. Good luck to all. Bye bye.